Fire-Boltt Ninja Fit launched in India. Check out the details here. Fire-Boltt has launched a new smartwatch under its Ninja series called the Ninja Fit in India. The affordable smartwatch has a lightweight form factor while trying to be a stylish choice. Have a look at the price, features, and more below. Fire-Boltt Ninja Fit, specs and features. The Ninja Fit has a 1.69-inch square display with an HD screen resolution and support for more than 100 watch faces. It has basic health features like S24x7 heart rate monitor and a SpO2 sensor, along with the ability to track sleep and menstrual cycles. You also get around 123 sports modes to keep track of activities like swimming, cycling, running, and much more. The usual ability to record your steps, calories burned, and more is also there. The Ninja Fit can last for about 5 days on a single charge and up to 30 days on standby. You also get health reminders, weather forecasts, and the ability to access the alarm clock, stopwatch, a timer, and enable remote camera, music controls. The Fire-Boltt Ninja Fit also comes with support for smart notifications and an IP68 rating for water resistance. Price and availability. The Fire-Boltt Ninja Fit comes with a price tag of 1,299 rupees, 1,199 rupees on Amazon as an introductory price, and will be up for grabs via Amazon and the company's website, starting March 8. It rivals options like the Noise Fit Crew, the Bolt Audio Striker, and more. It comes in various color options like blue, black, beige, green, gray, and red.